What's up, guys? It's me. Back again with another video, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make Play-Doh. See, we bought some Play-Doh just in case. We bought some Play-Doh to make sure we do it the right time. We bought two of them. We bought two of them.
Wow.
Alright, so the ingredients is a thing to mix it with. Make sure it has a hole in it. Make sure it has a hole in it. And a Snapple bottle.
Oh wait, hold on.
And we're missing something.
Oh, the main ingredient.
Main ingredient. And also secret privacy in there, and a secret ingredient. I mean, no, not a secret ingredient. A thing to mix it with. Oh. Alright, so let's get it started.
Mix it, brain. And you need something to cover it.
Alright, so we need something to cover it. Alright, so first we're going to get the thing, then we're going to grab the Snapple.
No, they're not responsible.
And a little bit of Snapple, a little bit of Snapple, a little bit of Snapple. Okay. Then we get our utensil.
Oh, wait, no, hold up. We need a little bit more.
Now we need our utensil. Mix it up. Go grab the thing that's over there. It's almost done. We need this to reveal it to you. So I'll see you when we're done.
No, hold on. We forgot the main ingredient. Okay, take this out really quick. And then we forgot this.
Alright, so we'll see you when it gets back to Play-Doh. Alright? Alright? I'll see you when we get back to the thing. Alright!
Wait, guys, just so you know, it's not clickbait. Look.
We still have some. Yeah.
We'll have the Play-Doh.
It's not clickbait at all.
Not clickbait. Not clickbait. Literally.
We're making the same color as this one. Now, yeah. Sprinkle it, then take it off, and we have our Play-Doh. Kind of a little bit wet because it's Snapple, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's super natural.
It's natural.
Well, hold up. I'm gonna clean it up.
And that is how you make Play-Doh. Bye-bye.
Play-Doh. Wait, hold up, guys.
Wait.
Compare it to this one and this one.
Which one? All right. Which one looks like it? You're probably thinking this one, right? I mean, you're probably thinking this one, right? Wrong. It's this one.
No, they're probably thinking it's this one.
Wrong. It's this one. Just kidding.
No, it's not this one. Are you dumb?